I'm with Michael Khaniss, who is co-founder and CEO of Market Spider. We're at the Grand Ballroom of the Pullman Bangkok Grand Sukhumvit, and you are watching Bangkok Venue Talk. Mike, can you tell us about Market Spider? What services are you providing in Thailand?
Market Spider is a B2B platform for procurement for hospitality industry. So what we do is we consolidate all the purchases, which helps save cost to the hotels and restaurants.
Plastics is a big issue, with particularly single-use plastic within the hospitality industry, and we're trying to move away from this. As your platform is supporting hotels with procurement, are you doing anything with single-use plastics and alternatives?
That's a very good question. Now, before I start answering your question, I just want to tell you very quickly that Market Spider have pledged by 2025 we will have no single-use plastic sold on our platform.
Fantastic.
So we are actually start working already on how to change. So one of the things you have to understand, plastic has been with us for a very long time. So everybody is used to plastic. So an idea to go and tell them don't use plastic is actually a disaster for any business. So what we do is that we slowly try to find alternatives which are cost effective. At the same time, it's not burden for hotel or restaurant to change. So we have many products now in our platform. So one of them is instead of using plastics, straws and cutlery, we have cutlery made with Avocado, which is 100% plant-based. And then instead of using foam, the box is made with sugarcane waste. So we are trying to find all the different biomass wastes, plant-based, which we can actually use those ones to produce items used in hotel and hospitality industry.
Oh my goodness, products made from avocado. I've never seen that.
Actually, one of the things I'll recommend you when I give you as a sample, please don't eat them, because they're not made, you cannot eat those avocados. So these are made with avocado seeds. So you may not know, a lot of these plants have different properties. So what this company in Mexico called Bioface did, so they're a very big, they're the largest farming of avocados in Mexico. So they have a lot of waste of avocado seeds. So they took those seeds and removed the essentials oils from avocado seeds and converted them to a polymer, a plant-based polymer, which in turn they use some other plant-based polymers to create something called they call it Avoplast, which is comparable to the plastics that we use, but this is completely plant-based. So they created many different items. One of them, which is single use, is straws and cutlery. So airlines can use them, hotels for the takeaway can use them, restaurants takeaways can use them. So there are now, it's a very popular item.
Fantastic. Are they biodegradable and friendly to the environment?
Well, the thing is, because it's a plant-based, it's all from biomass. We have many different biodegradable items. So what this particular item is, you can actually throw them into the garbage. Within maximum of 240 days, this will be completely gone.
Wow.
Yeah, so there are many now products in the market available which we can replace plastic, but of course you have to make sure that you have to understand that they're a little bit more expensive. But then if we don't have the world and the earth, then we don't need to have money. So it's for our future generations.
Many of the Bangkok hotels are moving forward and away from single-use plastic, and we're looking for alternatives. But it's a very fragmented landscape of suppliers. Can Market Spider help the Thai Hotel Association, and how can you help us?
We actually created a brand called BioPro. So this particular brand, BioPro, is not a brand of a product. It's a brand for a platform. In our platform, we're now going to accept all the different companies who have biodegradable items and they are certified. So they can come and sell in under our Bio Pro place in our website, where all the biodegradable items will be listed. So all the hotels can actually go, and with one click they can purchase all the different items. And we can also source for them if some of the items are not in our list, and they give us the requirement, and then we can source also for them and put it on the platform.
Mike, do you have a sample of these biodegradable, environmentally friendly products that you're talking about?
Yes, I have a lot of them, but let me show you at least from Avocados that I brought with me. So these are straws and made with avocado seeds. So these are how...
So this looks to me like plastic cutlery.
Exactly. See, this completely can replace the plastic straws and cutlery. This is one-time use.
And you're telling me this is made from avocado seed?
Exactly.
Wow.
But I recommend do not plant it, because there's no avocado going to come out. So
brilliant.
Yes, so these are actually, we can replace, as you can see, we can immediately replace plastics.
Oh my goodness.
And this year we are actually working on a product which will be 100% made with avocado seeds oil. No more other plant mixing. So it'll be 100% avocado.
Finally, Mike, how can people contact Market Spider?
Yeah, so Market Spider, we are only online, so please do not call us, because nobody's going to pick up the phone. So we have a website called marketspider.co.th.
Michael Khaniss, co-founder and CEO of Market Spider, thank you for meeting with us today.
Thank you, David. Thank you for having me here.
And thank you for watching Bangkok Venue